Transit agencies across the world face increasing challenges: rising costs, operational disruptions, safety incidents, aging fleets, workforce pressures, and evolving customer expectations. Yet the data needed to address these challenges is often spread across disconnected systems. Transit 360 Analytics Suite brings all of that data together. It is a unified, cloud-based intelligence platform that integrates information from buses, trains, metro, microtransit, and more, giving executives, planners, and operations teams real-time, actionable insights. Major agencies such as LA Metro, Jacksonville Transit Authority, JTA, and the Road Transport Authority, RTA, have adopted this suite, along with several other transit operators globally. Traditional reporting tools are static, high-level, and non-interactive. Ridership data, safety logs, fleet systems, and financial tools all exist in silos, making it hard to detect trends, understand root causes, or anticipate problems. Transit 360 solves this by transforming fragmented data into a connected analytical environment, supporting decisions across operations, maintenance, safety, security, and customer experience. Transit 360 provides a comprehensive overview of system performance: boardings, service hours, operating cost, fleet availability, and route performance. Agencies can closely monitor service interruptions, missed trips, and on-time performance to improve daily reliability. A powerful geospatial view maps routes, stops, and assets, helping teams quickly identify hotspots and optimize service delivery. Safety analytics reveal collision and incident trends across routes, operator experience levels, and environmental factors, empowering proactive risk management. The platform uncovers behavior patterns and operational conditions that contribute to safety incidents. It enables agencies to analyze risky routes, assess operator behavior trends, and build risk scorecards to predict potential safety issues such as in upcoming months. These insights help improve operator training, route planning, safety policies, and preventive intervention strategies. Interactive drill downs allow teams to explore productivity metrics, identify schedule gaps, and optimize routing. Maintenance teams can track fleet health, fuel consumption, maintenance costs, and vehicle availability, supporting better asset utilization. Trip optimization tools help agencies refine schedules, match capacity to demand, and reduce operational inefficiencies. Transit 360 also monitors infrastructure elements, such as digital totems or signage, to ensure assets in the field operate reliably. With role-based dashboards, predictive analytics, and seamless integration with existing systems, Transit 360 enables agencies to improve safety outcomes, reduce operating and maintenance costs, enhance service reliability and customer experience, optimize fleet readiness and resource allocation, and increase ridership through better planning and performance. It delivers a connected, real-time view of the entire transit ecosystem. Transit 360 transforms complex transit data into clear, actionable intelligence, empowering agencies to operate smarter, safer, and more efficiently. A better connected future for mobility starts with better visibility, and that's exactly what Transit 360 delivers.